how to wash the technical wear for eFit. So what you can do is, you just need to take out the cables, by the way. If you do not take out the cables, you can put it into the washer. So if you don't want to do a deep wash, kind of new, and it's not, you don't see any stain on it or anything like it, and it doesn't smell, then you can just get away with this, just like this, put it into the bathtub and then soak it for about an hour, hour and a half with a detergent that I will link below, but it has to be like free and clear, chemical free. Anyways, and then, but if you need a deep wash, what you need to do is you need to take everything out very carefully, and because the cable needs to be taken out if you want to put it into the washing machine. So I'm gonna very carefully take out all the cables. Remember how to open this, don't use your nail, and just very carefully separate these. Use where the cable comes out and open it up gently, each one, and then take these out right here. And then make sure you close them back in. This is very important, by the way. And make sure you close them back in right on the Velcro right here, so you can see it, because if you do not do that, then the washing machine might kill this, and it might get cut into the rest of the jacket, it might tear it up. You don't want that. So just very careful, take everything and disconnect everything, put it to the side for now, and then I tell you what to do next, because you do want to wash the electrodes as well. It's very important, because the electrodes can stink. These are the electrodes, by the way, just to be safe. Okay, so open everything up and take everything out. So now that the cable is out, you just put it apart. You make sure you straighten everything out, make sure it's not wrinkled and anything. Just put it to the side for now. And we're gonna put it back in later, once after the wash is complete. But with the jacket, so again, you want to close everything back in, as it should be, laying down nicely and gently. Perfect, everything lines up. Have to fix these right here. In the back. Good. So once you did that, even right here, needs to the black area, the fabric needs to cover completely the Velcro. Otherwise you might ruin it during the wash. And now you put all the electrodes back where they were, basically. Put it down nicely, right where they're supposed to go. Now let's zip it up. I also recommend that you tighten these up a little bit, not too much. And then cover these inside of the holder in the back, just like this. This way, during the wash, it doesn't wobble as much like this. It will sit still. So just do those in a back loop, basically like this, just like you would use it on a person, and make them all nicely, each one, and then you can basically put it into the wash just like this. Just make sure you don't use one of those washing machines that has that plastic in the middle that spins everything. You need to use it in a washing machine that is completely empty, doesn't have anything in the middle, otherwise it might tear up the suit.